Hey guys, we're out on a private lake this morning. It's been flooded, had a lot of rain. We'll see if we can't catch some catfish on jugs and do a little bass fishing while we're throwing the jugs out. So here we go. We got some bait this morning we never used. We got some chicken liver. It's been soaking in cherry koolaid and garlic powder. And we got some night crawlers that are garlic scented. Never tried either one. We're gonna see what happens. Chicken's really soft. I had it froze to make it last. And we're gonna cut a little small piece of pantyhose and wrap it in so they can't pull it off the hook. It's stinking. You smell it? There you, no, not yet. Here you want. Throw this out. There's another one there. Shoot. Get me untangled. Yeah, I snatched away from him, boated and close up here. Let go. You didn't hit it real hard though. Still didn't. Pull your line back that way, son. Get up there. Actually, it's a frog.
It wants it, but
Pretty good fish.
can't get a hook on right in his mouth.
It's not eating. If he takes that frog under, you better set the hook hard. Set the hook.
Oh,
You didn't set the hook. You just reeled. You didn't set the hook. I told you you gotta set that hook hard with a frog. He's probably not gonna hit it again after that. He had it in the mouth. He does that, you got to set it as hard as you can. Try to break his back. You got water in your frog. Where he pulled it on. Not like that. Coming in the tree.
I got it out. I had that pop on there.
Get another jug ready.
I found my pop.
biggest worm is.
Thank you.
Set the hook, set the hook. You got to set the hook, son. That was a big fish.
He just stole my spot.
He ain't gonna bite again. We had that thing in his throat. If you would set the hook, you had him. When they do that, you gotta reel up the slack and set the hook as hard as you can. Stand up and set it. When you crazy, not going frog right now. I'm gonna let you keep getting the bites. I'm gonna keep catching them. That was a big fish, man. That logged in 5-6 pounds. That's way you get.
Every 5 minutes I'll catch one.
You get a bite. If you ain't caught none.
Well, I'll get a 5. Sometimes. I hope I'll catch a big, like a 7-pounder something. Man, that would be huge. I ain't even 7 days, and I'm still 6. Then I'll catch 7-pounder.
Right. But
I'll catch 20.
set the hook. Set the hook. Fish, son. Easy with him. Slow down. Come this way. Come this way. Quit reeling. Just lift your rod up, son. Come over this way. You gotta get him up higher. Can you see? There you go. About 3 pounder. That's what I'm talking about, Weston. First frog fish, man. Look at that. Look at Weston got his first frog fish. Good one, too. Hold it up for the camera. Squeeze. Turn him sideways so they can see him. Get no other way. Turn it the other way, son. You turn the hand. There you go. Alright, you gonna let him go?
There we go. Yeah. There we go.
That one ate that frog, didn't it? Good job, dude. First frog fish.
I was just saying, if I'm gonna catch one, it'll probably be that big. And I caught one now. Ooh,
What do you think about the frog?
I like it now.
Weird.
Maybe catfish come out when it's not morning time. I'm still sleeping. Still sleeping. Yeah, this is a circle hook. That's on this one.
This frog here is big. See how it walks side to side?
This is a circle hook, right? But it's a having a
Yeah.
circle.
Let's save that one. We'll start at the ground. I just missed the fish. I waited too long to put the hook.
I don't get how you get it in the jug.
I need to tie me a frog on.
No.
Wow. We're both catching that.
Little frog on there, buddy. There. It's a pretty small hook. Not that small, but pretty small. I'm over.
I got him that time, boy. They liking that frog right now.
Oh, well.
You got one on this rod with the frog, now I got one rod with frog. About a pound and a half fish, nice little fish. You gonna throw him back? field. When they do move our jugs to the center, that was a chicken liver.
Oh, had one. Didn't set the hook because I got something in my eye.
Big old crap.
Come on, come on, brother.
Slay up there.
Oh, two pounds.
Probably a pound.
God,
Nice crap. Getting right in front of the camera.
he got a hole in his lip, but
I don't like putting you over catfish, but you're like a whole bunch more.
have one up here on the joe.
Got a little one. Little channel cat.
Tiny, tiny.
He might give us a little bit of a chase. Probably the biggest one of the day. Good equal sized channel cat.
Look at him. He's not that big, but he's pretty big now. He got good for the little tray.
Well, that's probably going to do it for today. Thank y'all for watching, and if you watch us all the way through and like our content, don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. Thank y'all.